everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, bad news for the Queen. Film Pillar, the entertainment commentator, reported that the Queen Mzansi has been cancelled after 7 years on air. He was not specific about the exact date, but he said sometimes this year. The Queen viewership really dropped guys compared to the previous years. Fans has been calling for it to be cancelled, and that finally happened. But guys, the sad part is the cast members will be unemployed, and we all know how difficult it is to find umsebenzi these days. We are hoping or I hope that the Ferguson will come up with something new and entertaining so that they can re-employ some of their cast members. Bomb Production did the very same thing, although they didn't employ all of them. But when Isibaya was cancelled, the House of Zwide became Bomb Production's new baby, and it's doing very well guys. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Do you think it was time for the Queen to take a break or not? Bye.